How to make him fall in love with you naturally or love you more. Have you ever wondered if there is anything you can do to make someone fall in love with you? It might be that a new feeling causes you to develop a strong crush on him, or that you and your partner are becoming increasingly distant, leaving you worried. Love can, believe it or not, be grown from seed, and there are techniques to make someone fall in love with you or love you more. In fact, you may make someone love you so much that they will never, ever forget you, even if the relationship doesn't work out. So follow these techniques for making someone fall in love with you, and you'll realize how simple and fun it all can be. Is it possible to make anyone fall in love with you? Can you make someone love you? The short answer is yes. Is it, however, even possible? What about love at first sight then? You may wonder if a feeling like love can be created in someone who was not initially head over heels for you. While many people believe that falling in love is destiny or fate, research has proven that love, like any other emotion, can be controlled to some level. Let me clarify. While you can't cast a love spell on someone and make them fall in love with you, you may boost their chances of falling in love with you by using certain scientifically proven strategies. Nevertheless, because the human brain is the most complicated organ in our bodies, what works for one person may not work for another. All you can do is use the techniques given in this video and hope for the best. What causes people to fall in love with you? There's a reason why love is generally thought to be mysterious. People are drawn to you and fall in love with you for no apparent reason. Some aspects, like your personality or heart, may assist, but it is a mixture of who you are that helps people fall in love with you. People fall for you because you have the personality and characteristics of their ideal partner, or because you have chemistry and compatibility. This is why love is based on feeling rather than logic, because there is no explanation for why or how people fall in love with you. You just wake up one day and realize you're head over heels in love with this person for no apparent reason. That's love. What you can do to make someone fall in love with you. While we don't have a magic potion, if only, the good news is that there are things you can do to greatly boost your chances of having the person you can't get out of your head feel the same way about you. Maybe they only need to get a feeling of how amazing you truly are, and that will make them notice you more. Therefore, the next time you fantasize about a fantastic, long, and happy life with your love, why not make it a reality? With that said, if your interest in someone is real and you want to foster emotions of intimacy and closeness between you, here's how experts say to do it. 1. Gradually deepen intimacy. To love someone is to experience a deep sense of intimacy and connection with them. Therefore, one guaranteed approach to developing love between yourself and another is to gradually expand your intimacy via a shared vulnerability and time spent together. There's a reason why psychologists Arthur Aron, PhD, and Elaine Aron, PhD, invented the famous 36 questions to fall in love and have seen such success. According to licensed therapist Ken Page, LC Estelvi, interactions which involve a gradual deepening of vulnerability and sharing, paired with letting the individual know you adore them, are successful strategies for developing a loving relationship. 2. Make sure you're what they need. Before you even think about how to make someone fall in love with you, find out whether you're compatible with them. Find out what they're searching for in a mate. There are some non-negotiable traits people want their potential spouses to have. We're not talking about stuff like how they dress or the length of their hair, even though those might be non-negotiable for some people as well. Some people believe that their spouse must hold the same religious views and values as them. If you match those requirements or are prepared to make adjustments to meet them, you're set to go. 3. Let your true self shine. We already know that pretending to be someone else in order to impress your partner would only backfire in the end. Lovers should be truthful with one another. Yet, despite flaws, everyone has a lot of positive personality traits. If you want to make someone fall in love with you, always show your best side and be yourself. Don't be scared to show all of your weird, interesting, and spontaneous sides. Highlight what you have, your humor, intelligence, skills, playfulness, anything that makes you, you. Show off your beauty as well, and also remember that confidence is highly attractive and can instantly make anyone appear better. Speaking of confidence, people like and respect those who are confident in their abilities. Even if you tend to doubt yourself or stress about your weaknesses, don't let these worries dull your light. Believe in what you have to offer to this world, think that you are deserving, and highlight your best abilities. In this manner, there's a good possibility you'll quickly make that particular someone fall in love with you. 4. Make this person feel needed by you. I know I just advised you to be confident in front of that particular someone, but it doesn't mean you should make them feel unwanted. Being confident and being arrogant is not the same thing. One is appealing, while the other might be repulsive, so remember to be kind as well. One approach to do so is to demonstrate your gratitude for this person's existence in your life. Ask for their help, advice, or support on occasion to make this individual feel valuable and needed. Again, a little vulnerability is appealing and might help in the creation of that early invisible bond. It might also make him feel better about himself. 5. Understand their needs. We all want to be seen and understood by our partners. Therefore, seeing and understanding them is a great method to inspire someone to fall for you. Knowing this individual as much as you can helps you show up for them in a way that honors their needs, whether it's what they prefer in the bedroom or how their attachment style appears in their relationships. In summary, be interested in when and how your love interest feels happiest in the relationship and help make space for that. 6. Don't confess your feelings first. This is not a hard and fast rule, but it might be useful if you don't want to damage everything by rushing too fast. Let your crush have enough time to process their feelings rather than going through the pain of a one-sided love confession. Be patient. Let your relationship take form before moving further. True love takes time, so be patient while the two of you fall in love. 7. Don't try to force it. Similar to being patient and not rushing the process, love is a force in and of itself that does not, or should not, involve any force on your part. At the end of the day, there are so many unknown, visceral, and ambiguous parts of being in love that cannot be faked. Whenever you find yourself trying to make someone fall in love with you, consider this. If love is not real, it will not last. So how can you get someone to fall in love with you? You cannot force someone to love you, but you can influence their perception of you. Perhaps you're a stranger, and now is the moment to gather the courage to say hi and create a good first impression. Maybe they hadn't noticed you before, but your vivid personality changed everything. Remember to love yourself and become more in love with yourself every day. If you love yourself, the rest of the world will fall in love with you. Making someone fall in love with you is not an easy task. Nevertheless, if you follow these techniques for making someone fall in love with you, you'll soon be in a wonderful relationship with a perfect partner. Did you enjoy what you just watched? Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn the bell notification on. Thanks for watching.